Oh, the ravages of time. Think of it as caviar. You've got guts. Ravaged. You look ravaged. Amphibious assault. Running won't help. I hunt, no escape. My prey. I hunt you down. You swim against the tide. You're sunk. You can't hide from the tide. Chums in the water. You can't hide. Blink dagger. For a quick stab in the dark. Put a cork in it. A message for my bottle. If I could catch tide in a bottle. From the shallows to the far shores. Crummy wizard. No! Tide racked! An anchor around my neck. To the bottom I go. Let the sharks have my flesh. Ebb tide. My life ebbs. My body cast upon the tides. I sleep with the fishes. Denied. Denied. You get nothing. Bottom feeder. Off with you. I think not. Double damage. Double deep. Double dead. Haste, quick tide, illusion. These tide pool reflections dazzle the eye. Immortality. The hunt need never end. It's in the bag. Invisibility. Seen enough of me, have you? I hang a coral wreath on your grave. You drown in blood. I pull you to the bottom. Tides take you. Meet the undertow. Your tide's gone out. You feed the crabs now. Welcome to the abyssal pain. Riptide. I bring sad tidings. You're dead. You're dead. Now you're fish food. Ha! A tidy sum. To tide me over. Gold for me. It's my gold now. I take. Ha 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 ha! I'm hungry enough to eat a plankton. I could eat a diatom. I could eat a krill. I could eat an anchovy. I could eat a sea cucumber. I could eat a sea grape. I could eat a seahorse. I could eat a nautilus. I could eat an eel. I could eat a jellyfish. I could eat a mullet. I'm so hungry. I could eat a mackerel. I could eat a giant isopod. I could eat a tube worm. I could eat a porpoise. I could eat a manatee. I could eat an oarfish. Ha ha! I could eat a walrus. I'm hungry enough to eat a manta ray. I could eat a shark. I could eat a whale shark. I could eat a blue whale. I could eat a colossal squid. I could eat a plesiosaur. I'm stuffed. No! Defeated. The hunt is over. To battle. Forward. Agreed. A good path. The tide moves. By the moon. I go. On the hunt. I surge. Out of mana. No mana. Not enough mana. Out of mana. No mana. Not enough mana. Out of mana. No mana. Not enough mana. Not yet. I'm not ready. It's not time. Not yet. I'm not ready. It's not time yet. Not yet. I'm not ready. It's not time yet. Oh. Gold well spent. Mine at last. Worth the price. Who needs a big brain when you've got teeth like mine? By Melron the Tentacular, the lurker in the whirlpool, may my enemies be sucked down in spirals. Leave the depths to the treacherous Maranths. I can find all I need in the shallows. Regeneration. Nothing wrong with a few extra growths. I rise again from the deeps. I hunt again. In with the tide. My moon comes round again. The red tide comes. My skin breathes again. 'Twas but a shallow sleep. Fresh is good, unless we're talking water. Got to keep moving, or I suffocate. Look what the tide washed in. Kunkka, you're not my admiral. Kunkka, I thought I left you on the bottom of the sea. I'll have my vengeance yet, Kunkka! Kunkka! The admirable admiral dies like a dog. Die in slime, Admiral Mouth-breather. Where's your fleet now, Kunkka? Die in slime, Kunkka. The admirable Kunkka dies like a dog. Shitty wizard. I am Tidehunter. The tide is rolling out. Time and Tidehunter wait for no man. I step from the sea. A sea change is coming. We enter uncharted waters. Time to make waves. The hunt begins. Tidehunter. Ha ha! Yes! The hunter takes all. The hunter feasts. Victory!